Hi, Justin here again. Now, this little lesson is kind of a little bit of a technical physics lesson as well as a guitar lesson. It's a very, very cool little trick on guitar called harmonics. There's lesson and audio and stuff on my website, which is www.justinguitar.com. So you might want to go and check out this information there as well if you can't clearly see my little whiteboard here. Okay, so what a harmonic is, when you pluck a string regularly, this is kind of like if you pluck an open string, it creates an arc. I'm going to do this on guitar in a second, I'll show you, but when you pluck a string, it's a bit like a skipping rope. It doesn't really move very much at the nut or at the bridge of the guitar. It's like a big kind of circle. Now, when you do a harmonic, which is, I'll explain in detail in a sec actually how to create the harmonic, but a harmonic, the first one that you normally do is at the 12th fret, where you'd really lightly press your finger at the 12th fret. Some of you might remember it from my lesson on Silent Night. I think there's some harmonics in that. So if you touch just at the 12th fret really lightly, at that point at the 12th fret the string isn't moving, but it kind of cuts the string in half, so you get kind of like two circles going on, and it makes the pitch twice as high. It makes the pitch twice as high when you do a harmonic at the 12th fret. It can be really useful for tuning and stuff. I'll show you in another lesson. So that's cutting the string in half. You can see that you get two even amounts. Now you can also, strangely enough, divide a string into three. So if you did a harmonic at the 7th fret, what you're actually creating is you're kind of dividing the string into three evenly spaced circles, and it won't be moving at all at the 7th fret. So you can actually, after you've played the harmonic, you can touch the string again at the 7th fret. And you can also touch the string at the 19th fret, and it won't stop the string from ringing out. It won't stop the harmonic. It's kind of a pretty interesting little trick. So that's dividing the string into three. You can also divide it into four parts, which would be creating a harmonic at the 5th fret. So if you create a harmonic at the 5th fret, you're dividing it into four, and the string will also not be moving at the 12th fret and at the 24th fret, as well as the 5th fret. Now it actually keeps getting divided up, and you might have tried before pinch harmonics or heard like Joe Satriani and Steve Vai doing those complicated harmonic tricks. It gets smaller, so you can divide the string into 6 and 12, 10 and whatever amount. They're not really quite so defined as this, but this is the basic principle of harmonics. Okay, now I'm going to show you on the guitar, so I'll chuck the whiteboard down, Jed, and we'll get onto the guitar. Okay, so to play a harmonic, you're just really lightly resting your finger. You're not pressing the string down, you just feel it so it's touching really lightly. You pluck the string, try and pluck the string right back close to the bridge if you can, because it'll help get the note clearer. So just lightly press your finger on, pluck the string, and then you can lift your finger off and the note will stay. You can even touch the note again there at the 12th fret and the note will still be there. Touch it anywhere else and it deadens the note straight away, but touch it at the 12th, keeps it going because it's not actually moving at that point. After you've done the 12th fret harmonic, like I said, you can touch it at the 12th fret, touch it anywhere else, the note is dead. Now the other one, which is figure 3 on the website, is touch it at the 7th fret, which is here. You can see that the pitch has gone quite a lot higher now. Now if you look at the diagram, you also see that there's what's called a node, which is where the string isn't ringing, at the 19th fret. So I can touch it here, I can touch it at the 19th fret up here, and still it hasn't stopped. Anywhere else I touch it, the string's dead straight away. Dead. Touch it here, and it's fine. Okay, example 4 was the 5th fret. So again, you can see I'm plucking right back next to the bridge. I can touch it now at the 12th fret and the 24th, which is about above my pickup. I touch it there. Anywhere else? Note's dead straight away. Dead. Dead. 12th fret, it's okay. 24th fret, it's okay. So that's your harmonics. You can do it all on every string if you want. It's a really, really nice little trick. I'll show you some more advanced ways of doing harmonics later, but that's the principle of harmonics if you want to have a go at doing them. Really cool fun. We'll be back another time to show you pinch harmonics and how to do cool squealy sounds. Until then, have fun. Bye.